Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start with the trigonometry, the most interesting topic and the one which has got maximum practical application as far as maths is concerned. Now, what is the meaning of trigonometry? Trigonometry means, let us split the word trigonometry. Let us split it like this. It has got a tri, then gone, then metry. Metry means to measure. Okay, trigonometry means that in this topic we will be concerned for the measurement of triangles. Trigonometry, measurement of triangles. Okay, now when we talk about a triangle, I want to specifically tell you here that you all will remember it properly, that in trigonometry we are concerned only regarding the right triangles only. Okay, only with the right triangle. Remember always, whenever a figure is given to you in the questions of trigonometry, try to search for a right triangle. Only then the application of trigonometry we will do there. If it is not there, if it is there, okay. If it is not there, then you will try to create a angle of 90 degree there, means by this way or that way, that we will see. Then only we can go ahead with the ratios or whatever the methods of trigonometry only. Okay, now when we talk about a right triangle, you always will have something like this in your mind. I have drawn for you right triangle. So first thing is a triangle has got three sides. Okay, so it means triangle has got three sides and it has got three angles. Okay, and when we talk about a right triangle, we know that one angle has to be sure of a 90 degree angle of 90 degree surely will be there. Okay, it means trigonometry deals with the measurement of three sides of a right triangle plus the three angles which are contained in it. One angle is 90 degree sure, so we are concerned with the other two remaining angles plus three sides of this triangle. Clear? Now, when one angle is surely given to be 90 degree, I write here angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then what about angle A and angle C? What they should be? Okay, in the start itself we will make it very clear that if one is 90 degree, what about the other two angles? You know very well that the sum of angles of a triangle has to be 90 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle has to be 180 degree. So if one angle is already 90 degree, other two surely should be two acute angles only. If they are more than 90, then the triangle is not possible, because then the sum will go beyond 180 degree, which we don't want. Clear? So other two angles have to be acute angles only. So here, apart from this angle B, I have written one acute angle to be theta. This is one notation only. Okay, so what is the meaning of this notation? This is a theta. Word is theta, and for this I will write something later if we need it, right? So this is the one acute angle, this is the another acute angle. Okay, now apart from this, you may see from here we have got this right angle, right? This is called the base, right? This is called the hypotenuse. I will explain a little later now. And this straight falling on the base, making an angle of 90 degree, is called a perpendicular. Now, before we start with the this part, what is trigonometry, what are the ratios, I want to very specifically tell you about the three sides of the triangle. The names are perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. When we are clear about which side to be taken with what, then it will be so easy for us to apply the ratios in the trigonometry. Now let us take up the first one, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, when we talk about the hypotenuse, we should be very sure that which side in the trigonometry is known as a hypotenuse, right? So we should know its definition, only then we will be able to see in every figure. We will try to figure out that where is the hypotenuse in our figure. Remember always, we know it will be very clear to you, but where is the position of the angle of 90 degree. So remember that hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to the angle of 90 degree. This is the angle of 90 degree. Opposite to this will be the side hypotenuse. Remember always. Okay, so here I have written hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so hypotenuse AC is the side. Remember, it is the name of the side, name of a side only. So hypotenuse is the side which is which side, which is opposite to angle of 90 degree. Angle of 90 degree will be the angle there, but we have to see the side. Hypotenuse is the name of a side only. And see what is the pronunciation. It is a hypotenuse. You should see the spellings properly. Hypotenuse, this is AC, and it is name of a side only. It is nothing else but the name of the side only. And which side? Which side means the side which is opposite to the angle of 90 degree in the given figure. Okay. Now the next point is about perpendicular, right? Now see, let us see the figure first. When we talk about the perpendicular, we have to define properly where will be the position of the perpendicular. Before that, I want to tell you one new term. What is the meaning of angle of reference? I told you, apart from 90 degree angle, we will have two more angles, angle A and angle C, which will be acute angles. Okay. So out of these two, at one moment of time, we will deal with one. Let us say that I am dealing with angle A here, which is theta. Okay. And in some other cases, we may deal with angle C also, depends upon the question. But for the moment, let us say we are dealing with angle A, which I have written theta. Now, we call this as the angle of reference because we will be asked to find out like this. What is sine theta? What is cos theta? Like this. So this is known as the angle of reference, which is joined with the trigonometric ratios that I will tell you in detail a little later. Right? Now, here I have taken this as angle of reference. So with respect to the angle of reference, we have to see the position of the perpendicular. Remember, if this is the position of the angle of reference, then the perpendicular again will be the name of a side only. The perpendicular is the side which is opposite to the angle of reference. Angle of reference is here. Exactly opposite to this angle, we have got this side BC. So I have written the perpendicular is BC. So it is what is the definition? The side opposite to the angle of reference. That opposite you can very well see from the figure. Okay. So we will write here that perpendicular is the side BC. Okay, and perpendicular is again the name of a side only. And which side? It is the side opposite to the angle of reference. Clear? Angle of reference will be one angle out of the remaining two angles, which will be acute angles only. Okay, opposite to them we have to take the perpendicular. Now comes to the other part which is known as the base. Okay, so I have written here base AB. Base otherwise will be again the name of a side only. Again the name of the side only. Okay, and what is the definition of this base? That the definition of the base will be the side adjacent to the perpendicular. Now perpendicular is clear to you, opposite to the angle of reference. Okay, now one side which is adjacent. Adjacent always means neighboring, which is not opposite. Opposite to this side is this. Okay, and what is the side neighboring? Neighboring means something common. So we have got we have got BC as the perpendicular. Okay, neighboring side to this BC is our BA, right? BA base. So the definition of base is the side which is neighboring side of the perpendicular only. Neighboring side. Why neighboring? Because this is their common point. This point they are sharing. Okay, whenever you talk about opposite side, they don't have anything common. Clear to all? So the definition of base AB is again this is the name of a side only. And what is the definition? The side which is adjacent or neighboring to perpendicular. This is the sign of perpendicular. You may write it P also, right? Perpendicular means angle of 90 degree. The side which contains the angle of 90 degree. So it is clear to now that the two sides which will contain angle of 90 degree, the two sides, because sides and the angles are two different things. Okay, angle is 90 degree which has been contained in the side base and the side perpendicular. Clear? And perpendicular and base will be adjacent to each other, and hypotenuse, I have already told, the side opposite to the angle of 90 degree will be the hypotenuse. Okay, so these are the very important things related to triangles. Okay, now why, I will tell you why. You will say that here it was so easy. If the triangle is given like this, it is so easy that where is the perpendicular, where is the hypotenuse, and where is the base. Clear? You may think like this, that it is so easy. This is base, this is perpendicular, this is our hypotenuse. Okay, and where these definitions are going to help you in case you are given the figure like this. In case in any question you get the figure like this, like this. Okay, suppose this is the triangle given, and this it will be mentioned surely that where is the angle of 90 degree, then these definitions surely will help you that which side will be our hypotenuse, which side will be our base, and which side will be perpendicular, right? So remember these definitions. Most important, in my next video we will talk about the different trigonometric ratios, and we call them T ratios. Clear to you? So please make sure you learn these definitions, try to understand. If something not clear, you may ask. And thank you very much for watching. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.